equipment upkeep, minimizing downtime, and optimizing maintenance schedules. AI-powered systems can monitor various parameters of assembly line equipment in real time, such as temperature, vibration, and power consumption. By analyzing this data, AI algorithms can detect subtle anomalies that may indicate an impending equipment failure. This early detection allows manufacturers to address potential issues before they escalate into major problems that could halt production. Predictive maintenance not only reduces downtime, but also extends the lifespan of expensive assembly line equipment. By proactively addressing maintenance needs, manufacturers can avoid costly repairs or replacements, leading to significant cost savings in the long run. As AI algorithms continue to learn from equipment data, predictive maintenance systems will become even more accurate and effective in preventing downtime. Section 5. AI-enabled supply chain management, streamlining procurement and logistics. The global nature of electronics manufacturing makes supply chain management a complex and challenging task. AI is emerging as a powerful tool for optimizing supply chain operations, ensuring the timely delivery of components and minimizing disruptions. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, such as supplier databases, shipping records, and even real-time traffic information. This data-driven approach enables AI systems to optimize inventory levels, predict potential supply chain disruptions, and identify alternative sourcing options when necessary. By streamlining procurement and logistics, AI-enabled supply chain management helps manufacturers reduce lead times, minimize inventory costs, and avoid production delays. Additionally, AI systems can track the environmental impact of shipping and identify opportunities to reduce the carbon footprint of the supply chain. Section 6. Shaping a responsible AI-powered future. As we continue to integrate AI into various aspects of PCB assembly and manufacturing, it's important to consider the ethical implications and responsibilities that come with these advancements. Ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems is crucial for building trust and maximizing the benefits of this transformative technology. By fostering a culture of responsible AI development and usage, we can ensure that these powerful tools are used to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and innovation in PCB assembly, while also safeguarding the interests of all